Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the workbook so the PDF looks intentional. Select the exact cells you want and set the print area. This prevents stray columns. Once done, open Page Setup to choose orientation, paper size, margins, and scaling so content fits. Make sure to hide any sheets or columns you don't want exported. These steps control layout and avoid wasted pages. Doing them now saves time later when you convert to PDF. Next, focus on export settings so the PDF matches your intent. Go to File and choose Export or Save as, then select PDF. Use options to specify whether to publish the entire workbook, the active sheet, or the selection you set earlier. Choose Optimize for standard for high quality or minimum to save space. Preview with Print Preview to check page breaks, scaling, and headers or footers. Make adjustments and re-preview until every page looks right. Finally, save the file and verify immediately by opening the generated PDF. You want to confirm layout, readability, and any hyperlinks. If fonts shift or spacing changes, embed fonts in Excel's Save options or use a Print to PDF printer as an alternative. This preserves appearance. If pages are missing or content is clipped, recheck your print area and the export options settings, adjust scaling or page breaks, and re-export. One quick troubleshooting tip. Inspect print.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.